Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to order in Virtual Office your Essential Rewards order. So this is after I have signed in on my phone on the YLoving.com Virtual Office. This is the first thing you will see, which is your summary. Now you can just scroll down all the way and you will see quick links, member news, and then essential rewards. You will want to click on essential rewards. Now it's very tempting, and a lot of people make this mistake. They often click on standard order, which is just below essential rewards. Do not do that, because if you order on standard order, you will not earn your points from your purchase. So make sure that you click on essential rewards right there. Okay, so the first thing you'll see is my monthly order, and then there's, if you scroll down, there's like more stuff, okay, just to let you see what it looks like. Now we will start with my monthly order. You can go to either view order or change order. I'd like to go to view order. Okay, so this is basically showing me last month's stuff that I ordered. Now I will probably want to remove some of the stuff and replace it with new stuff. Okay, so I'm going through one by one and removing what I ordered last month because I don't want the same stuff to be ordered again this month. So there's this really nifty feature called Fast Add, and you can just add products here by just typing, I want lavender oil, so I'm gonna start typing LAVEN, and then you'll see all these options come up, and the first one is the one that I want, so I will select that, and I will add to monthly order. So when I scroll up again to see my summary, you'll see lavender essential oil already in my order, but I'm not done because I need to put in at least 100 PV in points, in product points for essential rewards. Now there's also this option below Fast Add called Shop Catalog. This is where I want to go if there are other items that I'm not sure of and I just want to browse. So I've clicked on Shop Catalog, and you will see you have all these categories. So if you're looking for savvy minerals and essential oil blends, personal care, home and wellness, diffuser and accessories, starter kits, education, and miscellaneous. Now today I'm going to show you this limited release promo here, because this month there's special stuff on sale just for this month. So this is the category that I will look for to get my discounted products or new items for this month. And I'm just going to add a few items from here that I want, because why not? They're on sale. And some of these are stuff that I use all the time. For instance, the Thieves Essential Oil, I'm going to add this. I also want the Thieves Household Cleaner at a discount. And I would like to have the Savvy. Okay, I wanted the lip balm, the grapefruit lip balm, so I'm going to add that. And let's see what else. Okay. Alright, so now when I scroll down to look at my order summary, you'll see that it's all listed here, the stuff that I selected. Yeah. So my PV total right now is at 79.61, so I don't have enough to meet the essential rewards order yet. So I'm just gonna go add some more products. I wanted the new lip glosses. Let's have a look at the categories. So back to categories. So I'm going to look at Savvy Minerals. I wanted the new lip gloss. And there they are. The two new colors are there. I love these. I'm going to add both of these. Okay. Now let's look at our summary. Yep, they're there. And now my PV total is 134.61 PV. Okay, and you will see that because I've hit the 120 mark and above, so you will see that I have this free lemongrass oil that's listed here at the bottom, and it says it's free. So that's how you'll know when you hit certain PV levels. Just take note of that so that you don't miss out on your freebies. Okay, so after I've done that, so I'm just gonna click on save monthly order right here. Okay, so it's saying that it's going to change. So now you will click on change shipping. Okay, so you have the option of it being delivered to your home or wherever you choose to for it to be delivered, or you can pick it up from the experience center. For me, I am able to go to the experience center, so I will select that. For those of you who are very busy, you can select delivery. So I've done that. Now just click on save changes. Okay, so it'll show you a summary of what your total order is, how much it costs. And this is the shipping address, which is to the Bangsa South office. And it shows that it's going to be made to my credit card. And the current processing date is the 26th of the month. Okay, so let's go back to the essential reward summary. So I'll confirm that this is how much the total is, and the shipping address is this, and the payment method is this. I'm fine with that. Now, processing date is the 27th, but I don't want to wait. If I don't do anything, it will just automatically process on the 27th, and then I go pick it up from the office on that date, or we're given 3 days after it processes, or it will be delivered to you if you choose delivery. Now, in my case, I would select process today. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now because I don't wish to process right now, but if you do want it right away, you can just click on, see this button here below change processing day. It says process today. Now you will click on that, and after you click on that, what you will see is a sign that a box that says confirm process today. So you will select that. Okay, so once you're done, it goes through, it will give you an order number, and then you can check here. It's called my order history. Now these are my previous orders that you can check. So your latest order number will show up on top. Okay, if you've done it right, it will show up on top. Sometimes it takes maybe about a couple of minutes to go through. And you can just check. It will say here shipping status shipped or pending, payment pending, depending on what it is. If there are any issues after this, you can then call the office to check that your order has gone through. But by right, it should be all right. And just always double check that your credit card has been charged. If your credit card has been charged with no issues, then it should be perfectly fine for you to basically your order has gone through, and you'll receive your delivery in a few days time, or you can head over to the office anytime after you have put in your order. But also if you're going to the office, take note of your order number, because that's what you're going to need to write on the order form, on the pickup form at will call at the experience center. Yeah, and that's about it.